Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered how plants get their food? Unlike us, they can't just order a pizza or raid the fridge. Instead, they perform an amazing magic trick called photosynthesis. It's basically how they cook their own meals using just sunlight, water, and air. Pretty cool, right? So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of how plants make their own energy. First up, what are the key ingredients for this amazing natural recipe? Well, plants need three main things. The first is sunlight. Think of the sun as a giant, cosmic power plant. Its light provides the energy needed to kickstart the whole process. That's why plants always seem to be reaching for the sun. The second ingredient is water. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots. This water then travels all the way up the stem to the leaves. It's like a plumbing system, delivering essential liquid right where it's needed for the cooking to happen. And the final ingredient is carbon dioxide. That's the gas we breathe out, and plants absolutely love it. They take it in from the air through tiny pores on their leaves called stomata. So, we have sunlight for energy, water from the ground, and carbon dioxide from the air. Now, where does the magic happen? It all goes down inside the plant's leaves, specifically in tiny structures called chloroplasts. These are like microscopic green kitchens. Inside these chloroplasts is a pigment called chlorophyll. This is what gives plants their green color. But more importantly, it's the master chef that uses the sunlight's energy to combine water and carbon dioxide. So, chlorophyll captures the sunlight, and uses that energy to split water molecules and rearrange carbon dioxide. Through this incredible chemical reaction, two crucial products are made. The first is glucose, which is a type of sugar. This is the plant's food. It provides the energy the plant needs to grow, repair itself, and produce flowers and fruit. Any extra glucose is stored as starch, like a packed lunch for later. But what about the second product? This is something we all need to survive: oxygen. Yes, the very air we breathe is a byproduct of photosynthesis. Plants release this excess oxygen back into the atmosphere through those same little pores on their leaves. So, while they're busy making their own food, they're also generously producing the oxygen that supports almost all life on Earth. So, to recap, plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own sugary food called glucose. And they release oxygen as a wonderful gift to the rest of us. It's a perfect, self-sustaining cycle that keeps our planet alive and green. Next time you see a plant, give it a little nod of thanks for all its hard work. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing science facts. See you in the next video.